Welcome to Extraterrestrial Reality. We're looking at some raw footage that was just sent to me this morning. This was sent to me by United Kingdom resident Rob Holmes, and this was the message that he sent to me with regard to the footage. He says, "Well, I never thought I would ever be in a position to send you frontline UAP footage, but I got some footage from Warton Air Base in Preston in the United Kingdom, and BAE Systems handily placed next door to each other from Lancashire, England, literally this last couple of hours. I travel a lot, but I'm in the UK working remotely from my camper van on a site only a few hundred yards from the airbase, and have seen a lot of activity the last few days. I filmed these tonight, 22 times zoom lens on Google camera. Really hard to get them on film, but captured some of the orbs literally popping up here and there. Not normal. Another thing to note, I regularly visit here and see F-16, F-22, and Eurofighters taking off. Tonight there was a jet that took off very fast, no lights, no transponder, and it was so quiet, it was just white noise compared to the roar the other jets make. My observations from just a few days around this base, nothing been on media about it, but it is going on as we speak. To note, there are United States assets at this base apparently. He says that the video is not that good, but he does have full res, but not much. It's not much better than the compressed video that he sent to me. The most odd thing was that the blinking in and out and turning up elsewhere in the frame. Yeah, you look at the videos that he sent, they're blinking in and out, and then showing up different places. Not saying these are UAP, but it's something. I do have two experiences I can remember, like you, as a kid. My mother and grandparents also had an experience they said was owls, but can't remember what happened. Odd world, brother. Nothing fake here. Literally frontline footage as I saw it. Hopefully catch up one day. I will keep reporting if anything occurs, exclusive, of course." Yeah, thank you very much, Rob, for sending these videos. We're looking at some of the just the still images that he sent, and then I'll play the whole thing over again with Rob's original commentary that was included with the videos.
Yeah, like strobe lights or something. Dunno. Alright, I'm trying to focus in on these lights, right? Just for reference. Alright, look, keeps blurring my camera. But look at this light here, look. There's absolutely no wrong with my camera, look. Look at that. That's the light on the campsite, look, with the caravans and everything. Watch. Spin around, try and focus on them things that spin around up there. Nothing, can't get them. Can't get them. Try and zoom on these. This is the airbase though. So hard though, long range.